Hey my lovelies, welcome back. My name is Levion. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you like my home decor updates that I made like throughout my kitchen and dining area, and then a little bit in my living room. I just made like some minimal changes in there. But right now, I'm making myself some breakfast in my Caraway cookware set that I am absolutely in love with. If you aren't familiar with Caraway cookware is non-toxic cookware. Not to mention it's like super beautiful. I love this set. I just love the look of it really, but not only the look of it, I just love that the non-stick coating really allows your food to really just like slide easily around the surface with minimal cooking spray, which is actually healthier for you to use, so you don't have to use like all that cooking spray, so your food won't be sticking all on the pan. My beautiful set is in gray, but they do have so many other different options to choose from, so many different colors. And y'all, look, their bakeware is back in stock. So if you are into baking and you need some new bakeware, definitely check them out as well. I will have a special code for all of my besties in the description box down below. Definitely check them out. I made some minor changes throughout the kitchen. I love having a really nice clean burning candle after the house is clean. I don't know, it just kind of like sets the tone on like, yes girl, the house is clean. I switched out the cranberry stems, and I put these eucalyptus stems in there. So I got this inspiration from the Mom with Muscle, Hannah Naylor. I was watching her channel when she was talking about how like she was tired of like the eucalyptus planter that everybody had, but the stems are really beautiful still. So she took hers out and put them in a vase, and I'm like, sis, yes, I love that inspiration. I'll go ahead and do the same thing. So I placed mine inside of this Joshua vase, and I think it looks super nice, super cute. I always get my candles from like Marshall's, Home Sense. I don't really shop at like Bath and Body Works. One, their candles are like super expensive, so I always go there and just get my candles for like $14.99, $7.99. Great price. And I've been obsessed with some oranges lately. I don't know why. So I placed them in a bowl, and I really think that it adds some really nice color in the kitchen as well. So that's my little change over there. So here's my little coffee station. Nothing too major, but still super cute. And this little area is inspired by my little coffee picture. So Callie made me like a really nice coffee picture. She knows that I drink my coffee like every morning. So she came home with this picture, and I'm like, this is so cute. So of course, you know, we had to display it over in the coffee area, okay? I always have like this little spray off to the side. It's like rattan. It's from the Hearth and Hand collection. It's pretty strong. I always spray like 1 or 2 pumps in there. And I also got these little tea towels from Target as well, and just placed a little plant in like my little coffee cup. Over here I do have my frother. I love this frother. This thing is like still kicking, still working. Amazing. And remember when I said I was going to get like an espresso machine? I changed my mind. I'm just going to keep my Keurig. And then this is my little coffee drawer and my little tea section. Got me some more teas. I had to, you know, re-up on that. And then I like to always keep my little coffee pods kind of full, so I use the overflow first, and then I'll just go ahead and start using them up. I like to have everything nice and organized. I'm trying to keep like everything nice and organized. Like, it's a lifestyle. It's fun and it's good, but it's a lot. So trying my best just to kind of keep everything looking aesthetically pleasing, you know, nice for the eye. Just make me want to go ahead and have a nice looking kitchen. Over here I did change out that was on the other side of the counter, still you know, using the oatmeal and brown sugar. I just placed it on this side of the counter instead. My little spoon rest. If you don't have a spoon rest, girl, go ahead and get one. Like, you need it. Utensils over on this side. I love using the silicone utensils, especially on like your caraway cookware, okay? But using that because it won't like scratch up your surfaces. I do use like the gold ones if I'm like scooping something or like use it in my air fryer or something like that. But for the most part, I'm always using the silicone ones. Some of you were asking about this planter that I had the utensils in. I purchased this last year from Target. They do have something similar, not quite the same, but I will link the one that they do have similar just in case you wanted to kind of get that one. My cookbooks over here, and guys, the reason why I changed up the kitchen was because of this little baby lamp. Like, it's so cute. When I got it, I was like, why would I get this? Like, what am I going to use it for? But I do wake up early and I do make breakfast, and I do like to have some lighting in the kitchen, nothing too bright, so I just kind of turn that on in the mornings. And over here I have my Alexa. I love this thing. Like, you can watch like movies, listen to music, get the weather, the time, all that other good stuff, you know. I just love technology, and yeah, Alexa my girl. Over here we got our cookies. We always have like cookies, some type of candy or something in one of these. We got ginger snaps in here. Guys, don't pay attention to my little hand tattoo. Callie put it on this morning. It will not come off. It's like a real tattoo, so pay no attention to that. So y'all, one of you had asked why did I have an ice bucket on my countertop, and I'm like, ice bucket? Like, what is she talking about? Crying. This is Rocky's little treat canister. So we do keep it on the counter because, you know, Rocky gotta get his treats and everything. This is my little paper towel holder. I've had this like since we moved in, and I absolutely love this thing. It kind of like holds space so you don't have to have like your paper towels you know, on the countertops. And here is my other drawers. I'm just showing you guys like my drawers. Like I said, I'm trying to keep everything like aesthetically pleasing, organized, and everything. My drawers are looking okay, but when I show you my pantry, you're gonna be like, sis, get it together. I'm trying, y'all. My forks and everything are over here, nicely put together. I got the gold and black. I couldn't decide on which ones to keep. I had the black ones for quite some time, and they're holding up really well. So I'm like, shoot, I'm going to use both of these, you know, best of both worlds. Whichever one I decide to pick, I'm going to use. If you have not gotten this acrylic, what is it, the Ziploc baggie holder, sis, go ahead and get this. Like, it's so convenient. It keeps everything so organized, and it's just the bomb. I just started using this Method granite polish to keep my countertops looking as new as possible. I noticed that they were looking a little dull, so this definitely helps them to look a little bit more shined as they possibly can. And then underneath my kitchen sink is where I keep all of my like cleaning supplies. My dish rags are in one drawer, then I got my cleaning cloths in another, my dish detergents, sponges, and then I have my detergent pods in another drawer. So I like to keep everything kind of neatly placed underneath the sink. And then I also like to have my cleaning supply, my cleaners underneath here as well. I do like to use like seasonal scents though. I love the Everspring products, so happy that they changed and made like different scents. And for my wood, I definitely would recommend the Method wood cleaner. It just makes everything look so nice and shiny, and it also smells really good. And then of course I have my sprayway, my bleach, and things like that underneath my sink. So this is how my kitchen looks pretty much on a daily basis until I like decide to change out anything. On the other side of the countertops, I kind of keep those bare because we do kind of like drop keys and just papers or whatever else that we like to keep on there. I kind of like to keep that bare, and then on the other side where the sink is, I kind of keep that bare as well. We have 3 sets of bar stools right here, and then on the other side we had 3 more bar stools. I had to throw those out because they were like driving me insane. They were like the linen material, and they just got really old really fast. Very similar to my dining chairs. I'm in the market to actually purchase more dining chairs as well. I'm just not sure on what actual kind of material that I want to get. And I'm also looking to change out this light fixture. It was just like a basic light fixture with the builder grade, and just can't wait to change that out. I did place this picture up here. I think this picture looks really nice over here. If you guys remember, I wanted to place it in my room, but I just didn't have the wall space for it. So I decided to place it in this dining room. And then I have this eucalyptus tree right in front of it. I think it looks really nice right here. Another upgrade that we are doing is changing out the doorknobs. I started in my bedroom and I changed out those into these black leather handles. I love this. I love this look. It's just nice and sleek. It just looks really nice. I'm slowly changing out the doorknobs. Doorknobs are expensive, so making my way around the house and changing those out. This is my pantry. It's not looking terrible, but it's definitely not as organized as I would like it to be. Sometimes I just start slipping sometimes, especially in my pantry when I have like Callie going in it, my husband, and you know, they don't organize nothing, so it just slips sometimes. But I will probably organize that sooner, hopefully sooner than later. So yeah, I purchased these curtains from IKEA. At first I was on the fence of purchasing the ones that I have in the living room, and when I went to IKEA I seen these. They were like $29. I'm like, these would be okay, and they look really, really nice. I did get like 2 sets, but I kind of like broke it up in like the 3, and I just kind of keep them open, and they look really nice. I'm so obsessed with the ones I have in the living room. I'm kind of feeling like I want to just switch all of them out. Well, at least the ones on my second floor, and then maybe the ones in my basement when I do decide to put curtains in there. Just change out all of them for those linen ones. I think they look really nice. So that is my dining room. Like I said, connected to the kitchen. This is how everything is looking so far. No major changes in the living room. Still playing the forever weight game with the couch. So that's kind of like holding me up, because I have been playing with like a few different ideas on what I want to do with the other decor. Guys, I just purchased that, but I waited for that to come like for 3 weeks, and it finally came. And when it came, I took it out the package and like put it right on top of the console table. It was like, yeah, I'll get to it whenever. I was just not interested. I waited so long for it. I did change over the books. I just put the beads and kind of wrapped it around this diffuser. It's a cute little diffuser that I found at like Marshall's or something like that. I kind of do like to keep like the same scent around, even though it's not too strong. It'll give you like a hint or a whiff of it when you pass by it though. It's like Vanilla Santos or whatever. And I recently went to Crate & Barrel. I did say I was looking for a vase that I wanted to put on the other side of the console table, but I thought it looked cute right here. And then I also went to Crate & Barrel because I wanted to see if they had that the eucalyptus tree or the olive tree. I wanted to see it in real life so I could make sure that it was actually worth buying. They didn't have it. They had the smaller ones, but I think I will probably get it soon. I just kind of, like I said, just waiting on different decor, and just to make sure that I am sure about my other pieces that I do want to purchase. And I've already showed you guys the curtains. The curtains are like legit. Like I love them. They make the space look really nice, really fresh, and I just can't wait for the other decor pieces to come in so just everything can really fall into place. So my lovelies, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed hanging out with your girl, and if you have, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments, say hello, and if you aren't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I would love to have you join my extremely modest YouTube family. Guys, don't forget to check out Caraway cookware set, and if you are in the market for some new bakeware, their bakeware is back in stock, so go ahead and check them out as well. I will have that discount code as well as the link in the description box. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.